Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Economic order quantity, part D, table method. So let us start with question number 8. From the following information, calculate economic order quantity by using formula and tabulation method. So in the given table the information is given. Annual demand in units is given as 6,400 units. Ordering cost per order in rupees is given as 100. Carrying cost per unit in rupees is given as rupees 8. Per unit price in rupees is given as rupees 80. The firm can produce inventories in various lots such as first 6,400 units, second 3,200 units, third 1,600 units, fourth 800 units, fifth 400 units, sixth 200 units and seventh 100 units. So let us start with the solution. We know that A stands for annual demand, which is equal to 6,400 units. So 6,400 kgs. CA is equal to ordering cost per order, which will be equal to rupees 100. CI stands for carrying cost per unit per annum, which will be equal to rupees 8. So EOQ will be calculated as under root 2ACA upon CI, which will be equal to under root 2 into A, which is given as 6,400 kgs, into CA, which is rupees 100, divided by CI, which is rupees 8. So which will be equal to 400 units. So EOQ is 400 units. Next we'll calculate by tabulation method. So first we'll record annual usage, which is denoted as A. So annual demand in units is 6,400. So we'll record 6,400 for all the 7 lots. Next we'll record order size, which is denoted as Q. So the order size for lot 1 is given as 6,400 units. So we'll record 6,400. For lot 2 it is given as 3,200 units. So we'll record 3,200. For lot 3 it is given as 1,600 units. So we'll record 1,600. For lot 4 it is given as 800 units. So we'll record 800. For lot 5 it is given as 400 units. So we'll record 400. For lot 6 it is given as 200 units. So we'll record 200. And for lot 7 it is given as 100 units. So we'll record 100. Next, ordering cost per order, which is denoted as CA. So the ordering cost is rupees 100. So we'll record rupees 100 for all the 7 lots. Next, carrying cost per unit per annum, which is denoted as CI. So carrying cost per unit is given as rupees 8. So we'll record rupees 8 for all the 7 lots. Next, number of orders, which is denoted as A upon Q. So number of orders for lot 1 will be 1. For lot 2 it will be 2. For lot 3 it will be 4. For lot 4 it will be 8. For lot 5 it will be 16. For lot 6 it will be 32. And for lot 7 it will be 64. Next, total ordering cost, which is A upon Q into CA. So for lot 1 it will be 100. For lot 2 it will be 200. For lot 3 it will be 400. For lot 4 it will be 800. For lot 5 it will be 1600. For lot 6 it will be 3200. For lot 7 it will be 6400. Next, total carrying cost, which is Q upon 2 into Ci. So for lot 1 it will be 25,600. For lot 2 it will be 12,800. For lot 3 it will be 6,400. For lot 4 it will be 3,200. For lot 5 it will be 1,600. For lot 6 it will be 800. And for lot 7 it will be 400. So the total annual cost, which is TCA plus TCI, that is total ordering cost plus total carrying cost, for lot 1 it will be rupees 25,700. For lot 2 it will be 13,000. For lot 3 it will be 6,800. For lot 4 it will be 4,000. For lot 5 it will be 3,200. For lot 6 it will be 4,000. And for lot 7 it will be 6,800.